Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by webvidtuts.com. This is video 10 in the HTML series, and in this video we'll do a little bit more in depth about text styling. We won't learn that much in this video, but we learn a couple new things in this video. So let's just go ahead and start this video up. Excuse me. Let's just go ahead and start off by making some paragraph tags. Okay. Let's go ahead and put some text in this paragraph tags. Let's put this is some random text, and always we have the exclamation points because we're super excited about this. Okay, let's go ahead and put some style on this text because I don't like it just plain. Okay, put style, and then we're gonna set that attribute equal to let's go change the font to Arial, because I like Arial better than Times New Roman because it looks much more sleek. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and change the font size. Let's go ahead and change that to, I'm feeling 14 pixels. And let's go ahead and change the color of this to blue. And we are done styling that paragraph so far. But as you can see, what we're doing to this random text right here with the exclamation points, we're just setting the font to Arial, we're setting the size of this font to 14 pixels, and we are changing the font color to blue to make it a little bit more attractive. But let's say I want this text centered. What do I have to do if I want this text centered? Well, we're going to go into the style attribute again, and right after color blue, we're going to put one more line, one more piece of code, I guess you could say. Okay, just follow what I type, go text align, and we're going to center this. And what this piece of code is basically doing is just centering the font inside the paragraph tag, so it's completely in the center. And let's go ahead and run this web page. And as you can see, this is some random text right in the center of that web page. That's exactly what we wanted. And it looks really good. Okay, let's go ahead and make this let's go ahead and make this text bold. You can do that also by going in style. Instead of using that B tag, you can also go into the style and change the font weight to bold. So let's go ahead and do that. Right after text align, let's create a new property, font weight, and we're going to change, we'll give that a value of bold, which is just basically going to make the text bold. Remember, font weight, bold. There's also some others such as bolder and normal, just stuff like that, which bolder would make it even bolder, and normal would just create it as normal text as already it is. So let's go ahead and run this, and if we did it right, our font should be bold, which it is. That's a very good looking header right now, actually. Let's go ahead and make another paragraph, actually. Excuse me. Let's put some more text in here, like this is the body of my web page. We're excited about this one too. Okay, let's go ahead and just save it, just in case the Notepad++ crashes or something, or your electricity goes out. It's always good to save it often. Okay, we're gonna format this text a little bit different. We're gonna go ahead and do style. Let's make the font family. Make it Arial also. So I don't want the font size that big. I want it about 12 pixels. That's good. Okay, let me get a little bit more space here. Excuse me. We're gonna make this color this text. Let's see, what's a good looking color? Orange? If I can spell it right. Yeah, that's how you spell it. And we're just gonna text this align text, change the text align property for this, just the left. Actually, let's make it the right, just so I can show you that it goes right. Okay, now after got all that done, font family's right, semicolon, 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 and semicolon. Okay, looks like we're good on this. And we have an ending paragraph tags. Alright, let's run this and see what it looks like. And bam, as you can see, all the way to the right is where we put our second paragraph, and oh, excuse me again. And like I said, it's to the right as we defined it right here in the text align property and the style of that paragraph tag. Let's do a little bit tiny more. Let's change. Actually, let's go in the body. I want to change the background color. Make it somewhere so cool. Let's go with this. Change the background color of this web page to, let's see, the font's blue, other fonts. Oh, let's change the black. I bet it looked pretty good. Okay, semicolon, our values right here, everything's spelled right. Okay, it should run very good. Let's go run that, launch Internet Explorer, and bam! We have some blue text right there, it's bolded and blue. And we have some text to the right here, which is orange, and all Arial. We are looking good. This web page is starting to look handsome. Okay, just go ahead and close that out. Let's see. I think that's about all I want to do with this web page right now. So that is the end of this tutorial. A few new things you learned, probably the text align, and also the font weight would be another thing you learned. And actually, you can make it bolder. Actually, let me show you what that does. Just makes it bolder. And that is actually the end of this tutorial now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned a little bit more about some properties you can do in style, attribute, and a little bit more experience with the style attribute itself. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a lot from it. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube video and register as a member on webvidtuts.com. Excuse me. And have a good day. Goodbye.